Hey guys, happy Halloween! I hope I didn't scare you too much with this look. Well, maybe just a little. Today, I'm transforming myself into a clown. First things first, I'm applying my Dior 1N concealer all over my face. It's lighter than my usual foundation, which is perfect for that ghostly clown vibe. Since I don't have any white face paint, I'm improvising with flour. Now onto my brows, I'm using Abyss from the Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palette to fill them in. I want them dark and dramatic. Subtlety isn't in a clown's vocabulary. To make them even bolder, I'm going over them with Stila's liquid eyeliner. It's like my brows have their own personality now, right? Do you guys see that? For eyeshadow, I'm starting with the shade Hunts and then layering Abyss on top for that intense look. Yesterday, I was watching a transformation video where the girl turned into a nun. Let me tell you, it totally freaked me out. Oh my god, if my nephews and nieces were here, they would be scared out of their minds. Adding some kiss eyelashes to make my eyes pop. Clowns need those big expressive eyes. Now I'm adding a touch of blue using the shade Twerk. It adds a nice contrast and makes the look even more unsettling. To make my eyes look red and creepy, I'm using Kylie's lip liner in 400 Boss on my lower waterline. Time for the lips. I'm outlining them with the same Kylie lip liner and filling them in generously. If anything looks messy, just ignore it because we are going for that creepy vibe. I mean, it's the one day we can look creepy without any excuses, right? Since I don't have a clown nose, I'm improvising by dabbing some of the liquid lipstick on my nose too. Who needs a prop when you've got makeup magic, you know? Around my mouth, I'm applying Too Faced Melted Matte Lipstick in Drop Dead Red. Ooh, I love that name. It deepens the look and adds a sinister smile vibe. Perfect for trick or treating or, scaring your neighbors. Finally, I'm sprinkling on some red glitter for face and body. And there you have it, the transformation is complete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend who loves Halloween as much as we do. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun and spooky content. Have a fantastic Halloween. Stay safe and I'll see you next time. Bye!